Hey guys, it's Mohammed here, one of the co-founders of K2R Technology, and I just wanted to shoot this video for you real quick just to show you how to use the K2R-803 power bank, just to show you how small and nifty it actually is and the unique features that we have on this device. We have a flashlight and we have the ability to charge two devices at once. So let's get started, and I'm going to go through all of the features in more detail as we go ahead. Now, when you first receive it, you will also have these two complementary cables that come with the K2R-803 Portable Power Bank. The black one is the lightning cable, which you can use to charge the newer Apple devices, the iPhone and the iPad. And you also have the white cable here, which is the micro cable, which is fairly versatile. It can charge many of the cell phones and small gadgets and devices which are on the market today. So let's get into a demonstration first. And as I'm demonstrating it, I'll explain the features that this portable power bank has. First off, you can see 4 LED lights at the top here, and those are the charge indicator. So in this case, there are 3 lights which are charged. If I bring this up here, and they do come on for a very short while. 3 out of the 4 LED lights are on, indicating that this has 3/4 power left on the portable power bank. You have 2 LED lights here, and if you double tap this button on the side, which I pressed earlier, the flashlight will come on, and a quick double press of them will turn them off. Now when you're charging devices, you can use either the USB output port here or this USB output port here. This one is a 2 amp and this one's a 1 amp port, and they can both be used at the same time too, so you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. The portable power bank will also need to be charged when it's depleted, and to do that you use the micro USB cable and plug it into there, and you can plug the other end into your laptop or any other socket which has a USB port. And most of the cell phone and devices come with that today. Okay, so as you can see here, I've set up the portable power bank. I've plugged in both the lightning and a micro cable, and I'm going to demonstrate how to charge your devices on there. So firstly, I have this Samsung S6 and I have plugged that in, and I have this iPhone which I have also plugged in, and at this moment you can actually see that they aren't charging. There are a couple of indicators. Obviously the screens didn't come on. Secondly, on the tips of these USB cables that come with the K2R-803 is a LED light. Now to start charging, you press the power button on the power bank once, and you should see that the devices made a bleeping noise and they started charging. But what you'll also be able to tell from this is now a red light. So both of these devices are charging, and there's a red LED indicator on them. Now once the devices are charged, that LED indicator should turn blue. So to demonstrate this, if I unplug the lightning cable, for instance, it has now turned blue. So now if your device was fully charged, you'd get this. And similarly with the micro cable, you would get that too. Now, what I also want to show with this is the versatility of the K2R-803. What would happen if you had 2 products which both use micro cables? Now in this case you've got the Samsung S6 and you've got the Note 4. You simply replace the lightning cable, so you take that out and you replace it with your very own cable, so you don't actually need to use the cables that we've supplied with the K2R-803. It's very versatile. It's a very versatile, small, compact device which can accommodate any USB cable that you plug into it. So now all I do is simply plug this in, and as the device has already been activated, I've turned it on and it's not had time to turn off. And as you can see, I'm using a standard micro cable here, and it's now charging the Note 4 as well, and the S6 is also charging. So that's how you can charge two devices at once. And I've shown you two of the latest phones. The versatility of the K2R-803 also allows you to charge devices, older devices. And what I have here is my lovely and very trusted iPad with the Belkin keyboard that I love. And it can also charge this iPad. So I'm just going to disconnect those cables. And then I've connected the old Apple connector. Just going to bring that into focus. And put that to charge. And as you can see, it's turned red, and let me see if I can bring this closer so you can see. The iPad is actually charging. So that's the versatility of the K2R-803 Portable Power Bank. You can charge older phones, older iPads, it can charge the newer devices, and it can be used for a multiple of things. I've shown you how to use the flashlight. So double click to turn it on, double press to turn it off, press the button once to show you how much LED, how much charge is left, which is displayed on the LED lights here. Now if you needed to charge your K2R-803 Portable Power Bank, you simply need to plug in your micro cable into the input device onto the K2R-803, and what you can't see behind the camera is I have a socket here, a wall socket, which has a USB port, and that will charge the device. Now as you can see, the lights are flashing on the K2R-803, and this typically, if the battery is completely depleted on the K2R-803, will take about 10 hours to fully charge, and you'll know that device is fully charged when all of the lights become solid. So at the moment there's two lights which are solid, and the rest of them, as one by one they become solid. Once all four are solid, you know the device is completely charged. So that's it. That was a quick video I wanted to shoot and let you know how to use this device. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments below, and I look forward to your reviews too. Thanks. Bye.